Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Hidden Beauty. So today I'm gonna share my skincare routine which includes day and night time skincare routine. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे दोनों साथ में क्यों अलग अलग क्यों नहीं, क्योंकि मेरा स्किन केयर रूटीन इज़ वेरी बेसिक वेरी सिंपल. अगर मैं डे टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन करती तो शायद वीडियो 2 या 3 मिनट में ख़त्म हो जाता, इसलिए मुझे नाइट टाइम स्किन केयर रूटीन ऐड करना ही पड़ा. लेकिन स्टार्ट होने से पहले please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so that you never miss out any video from us. So I'll link down my Instagram handle down below. So do check it out and do follow me on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. For cleansing my face, I'm gonna use this Pond's Pure White Anti-Pollution Face Wash. Actually, I really like this face wash. It is very gentle on my face and it doesn't make my skin feel dry because I'm from a dry skin type. So I like the face wash which are very gentle and hydrating to my skin. So I'm just taking a piece size of it, wrapping between my fingers and start applying on my face. So I'll massage my face for approximately 1 minute because it cleans your face completely. So whenever you are washing your face or cleansing anything, just make sure you cleanse your face for at least 60 seconds. That is for 1 minute to get the proper results. So now I'll just wash my face and I'll be just right back. So I'll wipe my face by using a a dry towel and pat it on my skin gently. Don't just rub your skin with a towel, just gently pat it. So now you can see how clean and fresh my skin feels. It actually completely took off all my dirt and everything. So I actually like this face wash without making me feel dry. So next thing I'm using is here plum green tea toner. I actually like this toner. Even if you're having acne prone skin or something, you can use this. It's really good and it's alcohol free toner. So if you're using a toner which contains alcohol, please stop using this because a toner should not contain alcohol because you're applying it daily on your skin. Indirectly, you're applying alcohol daily on your skin. So please use alcohol free toners. Just take a little amount on your hand, rub it and just gently dab it on your face. Don't just rub it across it, just press so that you're pressing the product inside your skin. Your skin should absorb everything, the goodness of the toner. Now take every skincare product down to your neck as well. So your neck skin try to age little faster than your face. So whatever you're applying on your face should go down to your neck as well, no matter whatever you are using. So the next step is serum. I use this vitamin C serum from Good Vibes. It contains 20% of vitamin C. It's good. It's a good serum. Actually, vitamin C has its own benefits, like it decreases your dullness or pigmentation, whatever you are having. But you don't have to use it alone. You have to top it up with a sunscreen. So just take a little amount of vitamin C in your hand, just rub it and dab it all over your face. Down to your neck, So serum is something which you apply after the toner, and it is slightly thinner than the moisturizer, but it helps as it absorb. It's a first product which you are putting into your skin. It absorbs really well, and if you have any problematic skin like acne prone, or you have dark spots or something like that, try to use a serum which contains such products, so that it absorbs completely and you get all the goodness of it, rather than just using a particular moisturizer. See how beautiful the skin looks. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of moisturizer, as I'm from a dry skin type, and the moisturizer which a serum gives me, it's not enough. So I'm just gonna use my DIY moisturizer. If you want to know how I make this, please do comment down below so I can create a video on how I create my DIY moisturizer. So I have filled this in a Himalaya night cream tub. So I'm just gonna take little bit of it, rub it into my hands, and start applying from the center of my face. And my forehead. Take a little bit down towards the neck, and see how instant glow it gives and moisturizes your skin as well. So I prefer to use this DIY moisturizer all the time, and I carry along with me in a small containers, so that whenever, in case if I need hydration, I just take a little bit of it and apply all over my face. So last and a final step in my daytime skincare routine is a sunscreen. As you apply vitamin C, it is necessary to top it up with a sunscreen, and leaving without sunscreen is like you're damaging your skin to a wider extent. So stop doing that. Not using a sunscreen is a crime. So start using it if you are not using it. So I'm using Lotus Herbal Safe Sun matte gel sunscreen with the SPF 50. So I'll just take little bit of it and apply all over my face. So lastly, I'm just gonna apply the lip balm. I'm using it from Nivea Watermelon. And voila! I'm done with my skincare routine. See how beautiful and glowy the skin looks? Hello everyone, I'm back for my nighttime skincare routine. So for cleansing my face, I'm gonna use the same Pond's Pure White face wash. So let's take it into hand. I'm actually very tired now. So it's a lazy skincare routine as well. Putting it in my face. So I have washed my face. And now we'll take same plum green tea toner, flavor on your hand, and start dabbing all over the face. At your neck. And now for moisturizing my face, I'm gonna use Moha moisturizing lotion. It contains aloe vera, almond oil, and sunflower oil. So I'm not just gonna use this alone. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it. And now I'm gonna take vitamin E oil from Deve Herbs. It's a really good vitamin E oil. And take few drops of it. Mix it in my moisturizer. Rub it. And start applying on the center of my face. Towards my nose, forehead. Down towards my neck. So no matter what moisturizer I use, I always add 2 to 3 drops of vitamin oil into it, because vitamin E oil gives a nice and good hydration to my skin and makes my skin feel good. I actually sleep like a greasy turkey at the night. So I need lots of hydration on my face all the time. Now we are gonna use eye cream, as I have a dry under eye, so I like to use a hydrating eye cream. I'm using it from Estee Lauder Resilience Lift. If it is available in India, I'll just give the link down below in the description box, but I ordered it from my cousin, brought it for me from US. So I'm just taking a little bit of it on my ring fingers, rubbing it across the hands, and now slightly dab it. Always use a ring finger to apply a eye cream, so that you do not apply a lot of pressure on your eyes. Now we are gonna use a facial oil, which is rose hip facial oil from Good Vibes. Actually it says it's a serum, but it's really thick, so I like to use it as a facial oil after applying my moisturizer. I don't directly, it's not my first step as a serum, because it's very hydrating. It can make your skin really oily, so try using it at the end. So I'm gonna take 2 drops, just 2 drops, rub it into my palm and just dab it all over my face. This serum makes your skin so soft that after the next morning your skin feels so plumped and really soft and glowing. So I actually like to use it at the as a facial oil rather than as a serum. Next and the last step we are gonna use is applying a lip balm. Ta-da! We are ready to sleep. So if you like my video, please do hit the like button on the screen and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to me on follow on Instagram. Love you.